Mathematicians, please get out a blank piece of paper, like I have done so here, or your math journal, so that you can record your findings as we move through today's lesson. As we are focusing on three-dimensional figures, they can be classified into two categories. We'll get there in just a moment. Three-dimensional figures are described by their length, their width, and their height. Those are the three dimensions. These dimensions are used to find the figure's volume, or the space that it occupies. We'll go into that into more detail in the next few lessons. If we reflect on what a two-dimensional figure is, two-dimensional figures have two dimensions, only being their length and width, since they are flat figures. Those dimensions are used to find the figure's area. Today, we're going to focus on something called a polyhedron. Three-dimensional figures can either be a polyhedron or they can be a non-polyhedron. You'll see me demonstrate that here. When we classify a three-dimensional figure as a polyhedron, we mean that it is a solid three-dimensional shape and that all of its faces are flat. All of its faces are also made up of polygons, hence the word polyhedron. In this example, I've drawn a rectangular prism, which has all flat faces, which are all polygons, and it gets its name from its base, which in this case is a rectangle, so we call it a rectangular prism. Polyhedrons consist of both prisms and pyramids. Those are both great examples of polyhedrons. The other type of a three-dimensional figure is a non-polyhedron basis. There are three main types of non-polyhedrons. We're going to talk about those today. The first one is a cone, as I've drawn here. Two characteristics of a cone are that a cone has one circular base. It also has one curved surface. Since a cone has no polygons that help make it up, it is considered a non-polyhedron. The second non-polyhedron is a cylinder. A cylinder consists of two circular bases, the top and the bottom, and those are congruent, so they're exactly the same. It also consists of one curved surface. Again, no polygons here, so this is a non-polyhedron. Finally, the third non-polyhedron is a sphere. A sphere actually has no bases. It also just has one curved surface. No polygons? It would be a non-polyhedron.